Wait lang daw, pakain mo daw.
Teka, sorry.
Ano yan?
Ito picture niya.
Tapos
Dedicate niya yung sa picture niya. Bigay mo, dedicate this to.
Oh, yung two teacher.
It's beginning to look like Christmas.
Michael Jackson.
Quiet.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at this fire. Begin to gain but the pretty sight to see is the holly that on your own. Also talking we go for a walk is a whole horse Janice and Jen.
Angat to eh.
The thing that will make him ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.